قول ليش كتصور تردد معايا حروبات غير كنعيد فيه
Tell me, I gotta ask you this question though.
Okay, go.
So you like tripping and all that.
Yeah, all of that.
Describe your dream trip or hike.
When you tell me a dream, like, what you mean?
Tell me what destination you want to visit in the whole world.
The whole world, you know? I want to visit the whole world.
But tell me a specific place, like.
Okay, specific place. I gotta say Norway. I gotta say Scotland.
Yeah.
I gotta say Italy, and I gotta say also some places in Germany, UK. You know, places in France, like the Alps. You know.
Yeah.
So that's my dream, and actually, the best dream that I wanna make a life in the Alaska. You know.
You want to live in Alaska?
No.
I fuck with that, bro. I fuck with that hard.
No, bro.
Yes,
just
sir.
Like, you know, yeah. But first of all, I gotta visit Morocco.
You want to travel Morocco first?
Yeah, I want to climb the mountain of Tubqa, you know.
Yeah, that's a good goal. I appreciate
Thank you so much,
Yeah, I
bro.
hope you.
You know what I like? Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead.
What? Just yeah.
Okay, thank you really so much. This is my friend, by the way. What's your name?
Hamza.
Hamza. Okay. The name of the other friend, you know him? He's Hamid.
Yeah. That's Hamid right there.
Hey!
I'ma fuck you up. Hey. This guy is crazy.
This is the fire here, friends. Like you're saying, we made the fire. You see the campfire, actually. I cannot say just the fire, because it's mean like campfire. Go ahead.
And that's Hamid. Hamid, can we have a word with you, sir? اسمه أخي حميد. الله يسر. ما قعنا. دنا. شنو داك الشيء في يديك؟ شنو كدير؟
كار يا خويا تنهرس في هاد القرعه اللي بغات تدير.
حميد ليه؟
ما تخاف.
اي
تملاوي. سير تملوه.
امشي.
This is a life, bro. Life of what?
Life of what?
Life of what?
You tell me life of what, nigga?
Of hikers.
Of hikers.
Yeah. What are you doing there? It's like, I'm here with this campfire. Yeah, we got our Tajine here. You gotta see it, man. You gotta see it. Come here, close. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Isn't it great? Isn't it great? Just let me know in the comment.
Let him know in the comments, yeah.
Let know in the comments.
What do you gotta say about this?
You gotta say, hey. You gotta, let's fuck this bitch. Hey, كانت. ندير فيديو.
بس غير شوفوا دير الفيديو الله ينعل. باش تجيك عاد دابا نتقطع على الموقع. تمرتو مغار.
The charging is broken right now. Come here, baby. As you're seeing here, friends, we're drinking. People were drinking here because there is so many birds. Birds? This is a bird. Vaca. We've got to take a look around here to see the forest and see many things, many stuffs. Yep. it's a really beautiful day, and it's really great outdoor cooking, outdoor, adventure. Has been really a great hike because there are my homies here with me, and not like the same when you, not like the same. We know that it's not the same when you go alone as when you go in a group, especially with your homies, with your brothers. Like the time get really chill. Yeah, she's like, oh my god, I've got to show you that. It's beautiful, no? There are my homies there. Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Get off the rock! Get off the rock! Let the rock be fine. Lady, what you want from me? He's doing something by the rock, I don't know. He's there. See? Woo! It's good for you. It's really beautiful. I think we've got to take a shot by it with our handman sling. It's really apple salts, watermelon made in the village of, what the fuck is this language? It's like it's English, but it's written by different letter. No, غير هنا. Just like let it there. ندير لك شي
بعدين يا صاحبي
ايه بغيتي ديرها؟
هو ما بين ديك العافيه ولا
هز حميد هز. زيد كمل هنا من
نتوما بالنايه
شوف راه حطب اخويا راه حطب في الدار. حنا كنكونوا في الدار يا صاحبي، في البلاد وما كنديروش هاد العمام دابا.
الهواء النقي اللي في هاد الغابه الجميله بحال هذاك اللي جاي ليه مرمداتو الحياه. تعرفوا الضباع قول لي يا ودي اخي حميد، بغيت تزوج ولا لا؟
حاليا لا مازالش فيا.
مازال الحال؟ علاش؟ شنو ناقصك؟
ناقصني الفلوس.
شحال الفلوس خصك باش تتزوج؟ الا جا عندك شي واحد ملعاق، جا عندك ايلون ماسك دابا قال لك شحال نعطيك الفلوس باش تتزوج، ولا مستر بيس جا عندك دابا قال لك شحال نعطيك الفلوس باش تتزوج، شنو تقول لي؟
خصني واحد 10 المليار دولار.
لا خوتيها في هذه صراحه لا حيد عليها صراحه.
هنا غيبان الناس الوكاله.
لا خويا لا قلت لها لا كان ما والو عرفتي دابا ملي بدات كتشد العافيه هذا كامل يتلح.
حطوني ذاك. لا
صاحبي واش حنا ما نعرفوش شنو كنديرو.
صافي درنا شي عبود ديالي
اييه لا نجيو شي راه وحده زاد يا حميد رجلها هنايا غير هذيك لا اللي مليح رجلو على هنايا كتشد علينا الايفيدنس.
كنشد راسي كاع ما شديت انت.
ايوا صاحبي الله يذكرها بخير.
This is really a vibe.
Yes.
So vibes.
Yeah, so beautiful outside.
See that?
So beautiful.
What are you saying about these? حميد سكران لا 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 صاحبي بدوس
واش كتصورني بالرجال؟ راه هذاك التليفون بغيت نحط باش تصور معاه. انت هضره مهم.
انت جدر؟
لا.
اه؟
هما صاحبي حدايا هما.
نزهة.
You cannot see them? Are you blind?
لا ما شفتهمش انا حاطهم.
عندك 3 تيريات ليك 3 ديال.
لا صراحة ما كتعرفش
Aye. Why are you like that? Why are you seeing bad wolves? God, there's one here.
حمزه مشى بدات تصور بالرجال ولا
لا تليفون
غير ضرب لي يا خويا.
لا صراحة.
تحول. ما كتبان اخويا تاجين.
انا ما انت كتبان.
I gotta see myself.
كامل نفس اللون.